does. What do these do?
Can we try get the
I
boss,
did.
please?
Yes, sir. You heard that correctly. Can we try what?
Can we try get the boss, please?
Yeah.
Fuck waiting for these.
I'm lagging like fucking hell, bro.
It's gonna be shitting for you. What the fuck is happening? Why did I randomly just... Oh. Needs a half. Can. Half up.
People...
Vicky, half up.
No, that takes a bit.
Whoa, yeah.
Let me
Okay.
out.
Hey, you two horny mofos are next to that.
Who? Huh? Who's talking?
Zex. What up, cutie patootie?
What?
My name's Graf. Don't be calling me Zex now. This is just the account because I can't get into my old one.
Zex.
No,
Your name is
Paul.
Zex from now on.
Not.
Yep.
I'll become racist then. Don't teach
Okay,
me.
no. Sorry, Graf. Little shit.
Yeah, you fit Mary.
Huh?
You changed your bro's name? GG's? No, Carl. I'm
Carl?
racist to you, you fucking American.
You're not American.
Fucking Canadian.
You're not Canadian.
You fucking Outlander.
Okay.
What is he? British?
No.
What is he? No, he's white.
What?
He's white.
No, he's not.
He's the fuck he is. Listen
No, the
to
fuck
him.
he's not.
Then what the fuck is he?
No, wait.
Arabian?
Yeah, I get it.
Wait. Well, I'm talking about Justin.
Oh, I thought you were talking about me, I don't know. But there's people on me.
I want to be talking about you, little bro. Yeah, and then.
I'm at
I'm white. Like, no, you're not.
My name's Ahmed.
You, shut up, you.
What's it? I'll call my little brother on you. Don't text me. He lives in Dubai. He'll play you up.
My
Shut
game
up,
is
bro.
laggy as hell, bro.
Oi.
Nah, I'm calling my little brother on you, yeah? Let's just like, nah, actually, he's gonna say my real name. I trust him, he's gonna say my full name. So anyways, that's what I call him. So he's like, no.
Good night.
Vicky, say goodnight.
I'm wearing
Good night,
the
Vicky.
missing bullshit, bitch.
He's not.
Where's he
Was that-
from?
Was
Mom,
that
say
your
goodnight,
mom?
Vicky. Yeah.
Oh.
Arnie.
Yep, she heard. She could not hear him.
Where is that black
I
guy
heard it a
from?
little bit.
Yeah, she goes, did you hear me? I said. She repeated it.
Hey, you go away, I'll suck on these nuts.
Take it, Khan. All yours. Go
I
listen to him.
knew you were gonna do that.
Aye, bitch, yeah. Give me a play anytime, just not right now.
No.
Oh my days.
Bitch, you back, fuck you, bitch.
I don't want anything anyway. Indian girl, why does he not believe me? I don't know. I don't trust issues. He's got
I
issues.
live in Waddle. I don't believe anything. You know where my trust issues
Wait.
came from? My dad leaving to say he'll be back in a minute.
Cookie.
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'll message it to you.
Fucking Hori.
That wasn't me. Like,
Hope your name gets groped.
huh?
Hope your name gets groped.
How my what?
I hope your name gets groped.
My nan.
Mhm.
Bro, she did.
Oh, bro, she died.
Shit, we
Like
20s.
3 weeks ago.
Oh
Bitch ass.
shit, mine died like a week. Nah. 2
Yeah,
weeks
like
ago.
a week ago. 2 weeks old. Mine's like, well, 3 or 4 weeks. Bitch ass.
Fuck yeah, they're gonna have scraps there. Trust my man's more hearty because
Bro, they probably. Never mind. I'm not gonna be mean. I'm not gonna be mean. I'm not gonna. I am a nice person.
say it, bitch.
Nah.
Say it or you hate your mama.
Nah.
Oh, you hate your mom.
You hate your dad, so you don't have one.
Fuck yeah.
Shit. Do
He
you want to get in
said-
the car?
Be mean. So I be mean.
Nope. Later then.
Not about. I got pretty
Really,
big
really.
guns.
Don't play that one out loud. Okay.
I mean. Oh, bitch ass. Help me! Help me! I'm punched up.
Don't go for that loot out down here, yo. I stay away here, yo. I killed him, yeah. Oh man, fuck this.
Absolute rat went straight for it.
Don't play that one out loud. No, play it out loud.
I'm gonna play it out
Don't
loud.
play it out loud,
I'm gonna play it out
Cookie.
loud. I'm gonna play it out
No,
loud.
don't.
I
Don't.
won't. I won't. I won't. I won't. I won't. I won't.
Don't.
Oh, kids on bunker.
Wait, no, I don't think she does. Hold on.
Kids on bunker.
Let
I
me
got
just
fucking
mute.
Fetties.
Well. Oh well.
My kids on bunker. There's kids around. Yeah, you said the mighty scrap.
You two are something else.
Well, no one else's was playing to him, so I had to because it was fun. Oh,
Man sit on his knees is crazy. Crazy. Oh, there's no. Okay.
don't tell me how I know that.
Guys, she believes in God.
Oi, turn it
Dita, can
off!
you stop singing the bunker, you fat pig?
Sorry.
Is that what, Papa? I missed all of that. No, can't. Coming.
Please come. They've got fucking this castle doing it's fucking Iron Man. It's all them niggas. Get behind this rock. Oh, that Iron Man skin's
One of
on
them
the
is one shot. This
one in the air. Dead.
knocked.
Nice. I think he's the one with the doing shit. Is he? Nah.
What's this? Oh, I tried that. I don't like it.
Let me grab the one. you don't mind. Some video.
Two Myland is coming. No way.
Really? What the? I'm
already
gonna
ran them
yoink
over.
that. I'm sorry. Wait, where's the van? Where's the van right there? What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Here we go.
Someone whose family is in hell. It's hella religious, I should made it. Huh?
Hmm?
What is little bro here been vet?
What's that, brother? Oh, and there's another voice note. Oh no.
What's that? Say?
Oi, bro. Nah, mute.
Pixie got forced to know it. She never chose. She just muted me.
What?
Oh, I thought you muted me.
No.